Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to retouch this image, and I have a good news for you guys, and this good news is something most of you are wishing to hear, and most of us want to get to edit our pictures or retouch our pictures very fast and quick, and there are a whole lot of AI retouching panels around, but there is this one that I would like to talk to you about. And I'm a fan of doing it by myself, but after trying this AI plugin, I feel like it's one go-to plugin every photographer needs to get. I've seen a whole lot of photographers doing that by themselves and all that, but this particular one is one of its kind, yeah, and is really going to help increase the workflow, the quantity of image you are supposed you can do in a day. It's really helpful. It's really helpful. Okay. And I wish you guys get into this AI plugin thing, and it's going to change the game. Okay, it's going to change the game. And this I think most of the guys, most of my friends are using them, and it's really helpful. It's really helpful. And we have different types of this AI. You have to buy it, yeah. And you have different kind of subscriptions you need to gain to use it. We have the offline on, we have the subscription on. After this video, I will do another video explaining in details on how the subscriptions are working, okay, and how you have to, if you have to buy the subscription or you have to buy the offline one, which is going to work like all the time for you, okay. And I'll add my promo code to it so that when you use my promo code, you get like a 20%, yeah, discount on it, on every one that you buy, if only you use my promo code. So I will leave the link below so that you can use my link to purchase the plugin. Okay. All right, let's get into it. So this plugin name is Retouch for Me. I know you've heard about it and you have a whole idea. People talking about it, and whole people has this retouch academy, which they feel like it will work out for you. Retouch academy is one thing. It gives you the presets so that you can apply yourself. But this AI plugin is one thing that when you click a button, it works for you while you relax and drink your water. Yes, while you relax and drink your water, is a very comfortable thing to use, and it's one thing. It maintains the textures of the skin. Okay, it maintains the textures of the skin, and it's really going to help you guys. So let's get into it, and let's try to retouch this image with the retouch for me. Okay, so for me, I'm using the plug-in one. There are some that use the actions, and the actions you have to go here, then come here, then you see the actions that flows here. But me, I'm using the plugin, the panel one, and the panel one, when you after installing them, I'll show you how to install all of that and how to bring it into your PC, into your Photoshop. Yes. So when I click here and click here, it has opened here. Now here is it. Here is the panel. Okay. So with the panel, here is the cloud retouch. So with this one, you have to subscribe to the cloud, and they give you the number of retouch you have to do. And we have different levels of the subscription, which each and every one you have to get a number of retouch you have to do. It goes up to 1,005 or something, yeah, 1,500. But if the number of retouch finishes, you can still buy an additional credit to do your retouching. Okay. And we have the on device, which you can buy it offline, like to work offline for you, and you go on and on and on. All right. So let's get into it. Let's use the cloud one. So that's what I have now. That's what it gave me. I have activated the hue and the dodge and bend. I think so. Yeah. But let's use the cloud, which is working fine, and it needs internet to work with the cloud. Okay, because it names says by itself cloud. Okay, so let's get into it. So in the first place, what you're supposed to do in every retouch, as I have been teaching you and everything, you have to crop it and all that. But this one, I'm not going to crop it. I'm just going to start and show you how each and every steps does. Okay. So let's say in the first place, I have to remove pimples and blemishes and stuff. So what I'll do is I go here, click here. Now you can click as multiple as you want and do it at once, which it will take one credit. Okay. But if you go on one, the credit reduces. Okay. So this will be helpful when you get used to it. Then you know, oh, if I do this, it happens this way. If I do this, it happens this way. So when you take multiple of it, then you just click batch retouching and it will do everything and it will take one credit out. Okay. So every picture you edit takes one credit out. But for me teaching you, I have to do it one after the other so that you know what, know how it actually works. Okay. So let's get into it. Now you can increase the sensitivity to the level that you want. Okay. Now let me hit play here. Let me duplicate this one. Command J or Control J. Then play this one and see how it's going to work. Your internet has to be good so that it can run more faster for you. I'm having some kind of bad network around. Let's hope it works quicker for us. Yeah. All right, guys. Now we are done with it. Now you see this image. Let's check the before and after of it. Okay. So before and after, before and after. You see how this image has worked on this. So you see where it worked. Yeah. So before and after, before and after. It's working well. It's working well. Very well. Nice one. That's taking most of the blemishes you will take longer time to do. That's taking them away. Now you are done with the healing brush. Okay. So now we are done with the healing brush. Now let's go into the further steps. With this, we have the mattifier. This mattifier is when you have more light on the face that you want to use to clear them away. We are not going into that now. I'll find an image which has that and we try it and see if it's going to work. But now let's see how this image will look when we do the dodging and burning and other ones that looks like frequency pushing. That is more like a frequency pushing. Okay. Now let's go to the dodging and burn. So let me merge this one here. Now let me go to dodge and burn. Yes, let me check the sensitivity. 100. Okay, let me increase. You can increase or you can reduce it If you reduce this, it's going to be minimal. If you increase, it's going to be more. Okay. So check and see how it's going to work out for you. You can retry it and see. Okay. All right. What a mistake. So now you see I have tick here and I have tick here. Now these two are going to work too. So I have to cancel it. Yes. Then it's running here. Has to go off. Let's wait a while for it to finish running. Then we continue. So now let's continue. Let me untick this one and tick only this one. And let me retouch. So this two is going to use internet and AI, the cloud. So is so far as you are using the internet, it's going to take some time for it to run. And when you are running it, you see down here there is this enhancing running here. Yes. So it will come, the runner will come to waiting, then go to active, then it runs through. Okay. All right. Now the dodge and bend has also worked out. Yes, the dodge and bend has also worked out. Now let's see how it worked before, after, before, after. Now you can increase the opacity. Okay, so let me increase the opacity and see how it's going to work. Whoa, you see how fine the skin has become before, after, before, after. It has maintained the skin textures. You right? Like giving it a feel, like as if you have done nothing to the image. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Everything is working fine. Dodge everywhere, every place that needs to be dodged. This is wow. You see how the dodge and bend has worked? Yes. So this is the dodging and bending one. Okay. So in another video, I'll be doing how to work on the portrait volume and the skin tone. Okay, I want us to go on one by one. Okay, so that you get to understand the whole concept about it very well. I don't want you to rush in so that it to be a lengthy video, like 20, like 30 minutes video. I want you to go on a step by step. Okay, so today we've learned about how the healing works and how the dodging and bending works. Probably next video I will show you how the mattifier works, then the portrait volume also works, and which is going to really help you very much. So guys, this is the video that I was yearning. I was so happy to show you. Okay, and this plugin is going to help you guys. Trust me, trust me, this plugin is going to help you and it's going to change your game. Yes. So subscribe to this retouch panel, like AI panel thing, and believe you me, you are going to work more faster. You are going to, like, there's more work you are going to do than you have been doing before. If you have been doing like retouching like 10 images a day, with this one you're going to retouch like 30 or 40 images a day. Yes. And trust you me, like this picture, someone will feel like you've not done anything to the image. Like it looks real, it looks real, it looks real. And let's subscribe to this AI thing, and it's going to help others. So if buy it so that I also get small commission from it. Yeah. buy it so that I get some small commission from it. Let me help you. You to also help me. Yeah, hand go, hand come. All right. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share and comment. We need more comments. If you have anything that you need to understand about this particular plugin or anything, just put it in the comment section and your boy will read it and reply you. Peace out.